Okay, so hello everyone. Let's go now for our final wrap up of this session about how to do marketing on Facebook. So the whole purpose of this session was to, or is to, learn how to create a social shopping experience. So this is, on one hand, we have an e-commerce website. On another hand, we have like a social platform like Facebook. So we combine both of them together to create this social shopping experience. So we have analyzed how to do this in two ways. So how can I bring my business to Facebook and try to promote my brand and products within the social environment? And how can I bring Facebook to my business and try to add some social features into my website? So if we go to the first one, what can I do in order to bring my business to Facebook? So we've learned that the first step, of course, is to create a Facebook page. But when users go to Facebook, when we all go to Facebook, we don't spend a lot of time in the Facebook page of brands. So at least we don't go directly, we don't go proactively. So our strategy as a brand, as an advertiser, is not necessarily trying to bring people to my Facebook page, but instead trying to deliver my content in their newsfeed. So for that, we need to understand that pretty much like there is an SEO algorithm in Google, there is an HRank algorithm on Facebook. And the purpose of this algorithm is to optimize what you are going to see in your newsfeed, so that the important content or the content that comes from your strong connections, either friends or brands or topics of your interest, does not get diluted among other things that maybe are not so interesting to you. So Facebook tries to learn what is interesting to you and offers that in your newsfeed in a prominent placement. So the main three factors of this algorithm are the affinity score. So if you and this is valid from a person to person and from a person to brand. Okay, so the affinity score, so how much people interact with your content, the type of interaction that they have, either they share, like, comment, etc. For different types of interactions, Facebook gives different weights. And the timing, so the fresh content tends to appear at the top, and the old content tends to be put down in their newsfeed. Okay. So as Vladimir was saying, this algorithm is being sophisticated continuously. Okay, and now the point is that and there are more than 100 variables. So what is the point? So what is the value of having an audience on Facebook to me that I am a brand? No? So for example, if I am IKEA. So first of all, if I want to post something, if I want to post something new, there are like three techniques to reach my audience. So if I post something new, like I'm opening a new store in Zaragoza, the organic reach that I'm going to achieve depends on this algorithm of Facebook, but it has been recently changed so that on average less than 5%, so on a brand reaches organically only or less than 5% of their total fans. Okay, so the number of fans is not really a relevant metric. What is interesting is how many people interact with your content, because that will increase your organic reach. Okay, but even if you do it well, you cannot reach more than 5-7% of your fan base, and this is something new. So what is the next step? Is to use the paid reach or paid advertising. So you promote your post on Facebook so that it appears in the newsfeed of the people that you select with the hyper targeting capabilities that Facebook has, based not only on social demographic data but also on data about their interests and preferences. And the third type of reach is when you do something viral, like the initiative that I showed you from the IKEA showroom, that is giving something for free, tagging your name in a photo in a showroom. You get this piece of furniture, but then again, your friends know that your name is tagged on a photo, and they get aware of this campaign and so on. Okay, so this is the approach. First, try to reach a certain audience organically. Then, this is not enough, so try to pay in order to promote your post. And third, try to create a content or an initiative that leverages the viral effect, so that these people that you have reached either organically or by paying share this content with other friends, and then you really leverage this viral effect, as I said. Now, the other approach is how to bring Facebook to my business. So here, first of all, we can use the standard plugins, and you've been commenting very well on that. What are the main types of plugins, like for example the Facebook Connect, the like button, or the Friends Activity module, etc. So there is a list of predefined modules that you can just copy and paste the code so that these plugins appear on your website. That is very easy. But then we can do something more. And as we learn in our brain teaser, the platform of Facebook, the API, is open. So that allows anyone to develop content to be run on Facebook. So here we've seen the example of Ticketmaster, so that you can see who is sitting next to you when you're going to buy the tickets. Or the example of eBay and Facebook and PayPal with the eBay Group Gifts application. Okay. So those are ad hoc developments that you can do because Facebook is an open platform. And the purpose, as I said, is to create a social shopping experience that is more personalized and more engaging. Okay. So those are really the opportunities of doing marketing on Facebook and trying to promote your brand and your products there. Thank you very much for your active participation as usual. It's great that you are showing so much interest on this, and have a nice weekend and see you soon. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.